Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have Jeep Cherokee and I will show you the location of the front windshield wipers fuse. Now in case your wipers are not working, the first thing you want to check is the fuse. Now this video will apply to Cherokees made from 2015 to 2023 and Cherokees equipped with push button start. Now this one doesn't have a push button start and this is a 2014, so this does not apply to 2014, only 2015 and up, because those were equipped with push button start to my knowledge. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now the front wipers fuse will be in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood just next to the battery right here. To remove the cover you have two black tabs, one on the bottom and one on the top. You want to press them at the same time and lift up. And on the back side you also have a small fuse diagram. Now the fuse you are looking for will be at the location F52, which will be right here. Okay. Now, as I said, this is a 2014 and I don't have that fuse, but if you own 2015 and up and you have a push button start, your fuse will be here, and this is the first thing you want to check. If this fuse is good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. First you want to check the wipers switch, then you want to check the possible wiring issue, and you want to test the wipers motor. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.